Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Alien Project. As you guys can see right here, I have a nice big box. This is another mystery box. I was doing a little searching online, and the one company that I bought the last mystery box from, they end up having a bunch of individual mystery boxes. And me, unfortunately, I guess you could say I'm like Shaggy and Scooby and all them. I love a good mystery, so I had to buy 6 of them. So let's hope that they're all in here. I'm hoping that they're all in here today, because I did order one other one that will be coming, which was a pre-order. It's one of the new It Pops. When that one gets here, I will show you. But without further ado, I know you guys are waiting to see this box, so let's see what we got in it. I'll go ahead and I'll get it cut open. As you can see, it's still sealed, so it hasn't been opened yet. So let's see here. Go ahead, give her a few slices. And I know that sometimes them Funko Pops, I don't know how everybody else does them, but I know I've found some with slices in them because companies open the box up a little crazy. Oh, look, another one of their slips. Cool. Right there it is. Funko Pop Mystery Single Pop Vinyl Figures. 6 of them. All together for this, I paid $45 for this set. So, a few dollars cheaper this time. Let's see what we got. Supposed to be 6 of them in here. Oh, another small box. Ugh. These boxes, they do come in handy. Alright. Another box. Again with another box. I just wanted to find 6 pops to look at, didn't you? So you would think that I'm getting through this kind of quick, but I'm not. I got a new game downloaded that I want to check out called Fortnite. Pretty neat looking. Can't wait to play it a little bit. Also, before I get into this one, for you guys, you car auto guys out there, if you're watching this, which I hope you guys are watching my videos and you enjoy every video that I make. If you don't, sorry. But I do have an announcement that I will be making in the next day or two, along with my next DIY for doing brake rotors. It's a general breakdown on how to do brake rotors, which is pretty well common for any vehicle that you drive up and down the road. Unless it's a horse and buggy, then I'm not going to try to do a DIY on something like that. But let's get into this last box here, you guys. Let's see what they are, because look at that, Ultimate Warrior on the side of the box. Huh. If it's an Ultimate Warrior Chase, then yeah, I'm willing to work with that. But Ultimate Warrior, he was awesome, but I wasn't that big of a fan. Alright. Ooh, they all came in cases, too. Oh. See, now the picture showed that they were going to be in the mystery boxes. But it doesn't look like they're in mystery boxes here. So, here's the very first one. Parks and Recreation. Leslie Cope? No? I don't know how to say her name. But there she is. Sorry for the glare, you guys. For some reason, it's Michigan. We've been getting snow when we shouldn't be. Looks kind of funny in here right now. But I've heard of the show. I've never watched it. So, yeah. That's pretty neat anyway. I like that. Set her over here. Let's pull this box over here like this. Okay, what else do we got? Alright. The next mystery pop is Silicon Valley? Richard? And again, he's in a little pop protector. It's pretty neat looking. Got little bags under his eyes. Looks like he ain't slept in a couple of days. I've had those nights. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have too. Alright, let's see. What's next? Superheroes. Robin. That looks pretty neat. And again, he's in a pop protector. Ooh, now that Joker looks pretty neat. If anybody has one of those little Jokers right there, go ahead and get with me and maybe we can work out a decent little price. I love the Joker. Robin's pretty cool too. Alright, what else do we got? Snow White's 80 years. Wow. Anyway, we got Doc. And again, you guys, sorry about that glare. These little pop protectors here that they send them in, they really do kick off quite the glare. I mean, it could be that the plastic that's on them is doing it. I don't know. I mean, not sure. I will pull the plastic off from them eventually just because that's just how I am. Alright, what do we got next? Ooh. Director Orson Knick. Star Wars Rogue One. Now, that's pretty cool. Now they picked out a pretty good little selection to send me. I like this. I'm a Star Wars fan too. I really like that one. And again, like I said, they're all in the protecting case, so. Alright, what's this one? Oh, was it? Oh, wow. I know someone's going to be wanting that one from me. And I don't think any of them are going to get it. But here it is. WWE The Rock. If I had his music, I'd play it right now, but I don't have it. That is awesome. The Rock. I can handle that. I mean, he's a pretty famous guy. Bam. So there's as you guys can see it here, I'll scroll it over so you guys can see them a little bit. So you guys, there they are. Those are my 6 mystery pops that I had ordered. And you guys go ahead and check that out at insanetoyshop.com. I'm happy with my pick. If you order 6 of them, they guarantee you that you won't get the same one. So go ahead and check their website out. In no way, shape, or form do they give me free stuff for saying this or anything. Cause I wish they did. That'd be awesome. Free pops. I mean, for any Funko Pop collector, a free pop is an awesome pop. Epic. That's a great. What did I say it was? $45, $46 or whatever it was. 45, 26. That was worth it. So you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this with everybody. And if you're new to my channel, you guys know what to do. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified anytime I upload. And like I said, for any automotive people out there that love automotive, you guys love car shows and stuff like that, stay tuned. My next video will be coming up, like I said, this Friday. It'll be Friday or Saturday that I'll be bringing you guys one for the Rotor DIY. That's right. And hopefully a special announcement that'll get everybody to be able to get out to meet me. And me to meet everybody else. So until next time, you guys, peace out.